Hi, I'm Suman, your brow expert, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my own eyebrows. So before I fill in my eyebrows with makeup, I use the M2 eyebrow renewing serum. And then just letting it dry for 2-3 minutes. Now, I will make sure I brush up all my eyebrows and see if I have any unruly, long, straggly ones that I don't want to keep. You want to get a nice sharp scissors. This is one of my own personal ones that I have been testing, and I love the size, the sharpness of it. Brushing it again. You do not chop off any more than you should. You brush your hairs up. Whereas like the way I am, you will see the hairs standing up as fluffy and spiky, and you'll see if any of them are very long, then you'll feel right when they need trimming. So this is perfect. I like my eyebrows fluffy, so I'll keep them just the way they are. Now, clean unwanted hairs, and I'll show you how to do that. You want to make sure you take off the unwanted hairs properly, accurately, and not too much, which means you'll end up with thin eyebrows. Ideally, you want to remove your unwanted hairs when you've had a shower because the hair follicles are soft as the pores are open. Now, you can get a mapping string. This is a great way for you guys to mark your eyebrows, map them so you don't remove too much of your eyebrow hairs, the unwanted ones. The trick is to just mark it on top of your eyebrows, a few millimeters away from the eyebrow, and this is what you should expect. A line like this. Basically, you're following your eyebrows, but you're leaving gaps so you can just protect below, and you just mark it at the beginning. Perfect. Taking a good pair of sharp tweezers. This is one of my own. I want to stretch the skin as taut as I can and see any hairs that I want to remove. I want to take the angle of my tweezers towards the eyebrow hair follicle, take it to the follicle, keep it flat, the tweezers onto the skin, and you want to slide the hair out. Gives you less discomfort and it protects you from having ingrown hairs because you don't want to pull the hair out. And then once you get the flow of it, you'll get much more speedy and it makes sense. I'd suggest you use a magnifying mirror like me so you have the light and you can see nice and clearly. What I always love to do by closing my pores and heal the skin is use rose water, my favorite. It smells gorgeous and it feels refreshing. It's like a toner and it just closes the pores and it's great for any inflammation. It looks neat already. And I like the eyebrows that are not too long, just drags your eyes down. This is instantly giving you a lift. When it comes to using your sharp tweezers, just make sure you clean the nib with an alcohol wipe. Coming to filling in, I prefer a wood pencil because I like it to be sharp and have a great tip, which gives me the consistency to design how I want to fill in and sculpture my eyebrow. This allows me to sharpen the eyebrow and I'm in control how I want to fill it in. So now, get your hand, stretch your eyebrows up. You want to fill in like I am showing you. I want to have hair strokes here, so I start with this pencil. Let me start again. Stretch up. You see, it was empty and now it's filled in instantly. If I want to make it fluffy, I just take it up. Light-handed, very light-handed. I'm using my pressure, and then I will push the hairs down. And now, sort of the point, I use a flat surface of the pencil and just colour in. And now use a flat bit to just fill in this bit. I think I should use audio, you know that. You want to be able to measure the pencil diagonally. That's your tip. And this is where I want to focus on the arch. Brow gel. And using a brow gel. Up. And where I can thread, I will thread the unwanted hairs where I can reach without needing to stretch. And I'll just raise my eyes, forehead, and this is what I'll do for the middle bit. It's much easier doing this than plucking, taking forever. Done. And just rose water, dab, dab, dab. So here is the final result of how my eyebrows look when I fill them in. Fuller, fluffier, and ready to go.